Welcome to the most advanced and the first AI system that builds successful YouTube automation channel built for everyone. Welcome sa Tube Mission 2.0 Blueprint. So warning, if you don't start building a digital income now, you will stay dependent on sa mga sweldo na hindi sapat, side hustles na walang growth, mga random YouTube tutorials na paulit-ulit pero walang resulta. This video might be the decision that changes your life or the one you ignore and regret later. Be honest with yourself for a second. Ilang beses mo na ba nasabi sa sarili mo na gusto mong mag-YouTube automation pero hindi mo alam paano mag-start? Wala kang camera, mahiyain ka, at ang dami mo na mga pinapanood ng mga YouTube tutorials pero wala pa ring results. Sayang yung oras, sayang yung effort. At hanggang ngayon, wala pa ring nangyayari. Hindi dahil sa tamad ka, hindi dahil sa bobo ka, wala ka lang talaga proper system. And this is where Tube Mission Blueprint comes in. So yung Tube Mission 1.1 and even yung Tube Mission 2.0 ngayon na the first AI system, the AI automation is not built just for motivation, not a theory and not an influencer talk. It is a step-by-step walkthrough system that shows you exactly how to build a successful YouTube automation using AI automation. From monetize, no guesswork, no shortcuts that don't work, at wala yung mga turo na ginikit-keep lang naman. But before that, who am I and why you should listen to me? Hi, my name is Glenmar Maranillo. I'm the founder of Tube Mission, YouTube Automation Course Blueprint. I didn't start with money. I didn't start with any connection. And I didn't start with a team. I just started with 0 subscribers, no studio, just a cup as my phone holder and internet when I was 16 years old. I failed a lot. But instead of quitting, I studied everything, the YouTube algorithm, those viral psychology, automation system, mga AI tools, mga content system that actually work. Then everything changed. I built multiple YouTube channels that has hundreds of thousands of subscribers, even millions of subscribers, and also earned income without showing my face. I also help small creators to get monetized. Ang dami na nila na monetize under my Tube Mission. I also build system instead relying on motivation, and I now manage and scale multiple channels using AI automation system, and Tube Mission exists for one reason. So you don't have to suffer the same mistake that I did. So, what makes Tube Mission 2.0 different? Most courses kasi guys, they teach theory, they teach show random tools, then after leave you confused after. But the Tube Mission 2.0 is built different. It is a walkthrough videos, tutorials, screen recording talaga, exact niches, scripts, title tags, mga AI tools na already proven and tested, mga automation at mga outsourcing system, mga monetizations, AdSense, technical, at alam mo ba ano pang mas maganda dito? Ako mismo guys ang magtuturo sa iyo live 24/7. At mapapatanong ka paano? Malalaman mo yan later. Because this is done with you, not figure it out with yourself. Kasi ang dami ko kasi naririnig sa mga post ng iba that they're having a hard time after nila mag-avail ng course pero suddenly they're figuring it out with themselves lang. But dito sa Tube Mission 2.0, ang dami nyo makukuha, like sobrang dami. And ano ba yung makukuha nyo sa Tube Mission 2.0 Blueprint? Ito yung makukuha nyo, ipa-flash ko na lang dito sa screen, ang ating mga Tube Mission na mga lessons. So, per module, meron siyang 3 to 6 lesson or 3 to 6 video. Like ako talaga, pinaghirapan ko siya to film and also to build mga tutorials, strategies, templates, everything guys, lahat-lahat. Ilalagay ko siya module per module para at least meron kayong walkthrough guide at ma-feel nyo na kasama nyo ako sa journey nyo. Hindi to katulad ng Tube Mission 1.1 na I'm just explaining everything, I'm just talking on the camera, then after that, figure it out yourself. Itong Tube Mission 2.0, walkthrough video talaga, screen recording, all my strategies, at even sa pagbasa ng analytics, ituturo ko yan sa inyo para alam nyo kung paano ba talaga mag-scale ng successful YouTube automation channel. Meron tayong mga secret strategy, mga golden na mga strategy, mga webinars, mga weekly meetings, weekly webinars, mga daily updates, 24/7, walang butas, lahat may sagot. Dito lang yan sa Tube Mission 2.0. And alam nyo ba, meron tayong the golden freebies of Bolt. So this alone is very insane. Kasi when you enroll today, you also get high scoring keywords, hashtags, tags, mga premium sound effect package, channel planning, roadmap. Ito grabe, sobrang ganda nito. Mga CapCut Pro, Canva Pro, 100 AI YouTube channel database, 60,000 stock videos, different niches, mga golden viral script. Yung mga scripts na ginagamit ko sa mga kliyente ko at sa mga channel ko para makakuha ng thousands of subscribers and millions of subscribers, and this alone can save you months of trial and error. But I think you are not still convinced. Let me ask you this honestly. What if you enroll today and you never get stuck again? What if every time you ask, tama ba yung niche ko? Bakit walang views yung video ko? Okay ba tong title ko? Okay ba tong thumbnail ko? Coach, ano ba yung next step ko after my first upload? Coach, namamonetize ba itong ginagawa ko? Coach, ano ba yung dapat gawin ko today? Coach, can you give me a roadmap of my channel? What if may sasagot sa'yo instantly? Walang hintayan, walang scene zone, walang guesswork. I have a surprise for you guys. I am introducing the Ask Coach Glenn AI. This is your 24/7 YouTube automation mentor. This is exclusive for Tube Mission only, guys, ha? Because when you enroll today, as in today, you also get access to Ask Coach Glenn AI. This is a duplicate version of me that built from all my YouTube automation strategies, all my system that really works, and all my winning decision, and all my past mistake para di mo na ulitin. At alam nyo ba, this AI is trained and think like me, not generic AI. Hindi yung mga random answers. This is exactly how I would answer you when you ask a question sa akin. Not instant answer. Like basically, sobrang ganda ng Ask Coach Glenn AI. Tinest ko na to and it's working talaga. And I've built a 200,000 subscribers because of Ask Coach Glenn AI. First, nakuha ko ng 2 silver play button because of AI na to. Because we are now living in AI world. So, yung YouTube automation natin, meron siyang AI automation that teach you 24/7. You can get instant answer para kang may personal coach 24/7. Because, let's be real here, guys. Most students fail not because kulang sa effort. Not because kulang sila sa tools. They fail because wala silang mapagtanungan kapag na-stuck na sila. But with Ask Coach Glenn AI, hindi ka mag-iisa. Hindi ka manghuhula, hindi ka mapapraning kung tama ba yung ginagawa mo or mali ba yung ginagawa mo. You move with confidence, not hope. And this is why Tube Mission 2.0 is very unfair. Because other courses, they watch, they try, then fail, then quit. But dito sa Tube Mission 2.0 natin, they watch, they apply, they ask Coach Glenn AI, they fix instantly, then move forward. Because that's how winners are built. So, this is your last warning. You will get access to Ask Coach Glenn AI. This very limited, not guaranteed forever. This is only for early Tube Mission 2.0 students. Because once mapuno na yung slot, AI access will be removed. Price will increase, bonuses will disappear. No exception. So, you have 2 choices. It's either you close this page, keep watching others win, or stay stuck for another year na naman. Or, you'll enroll today, join with the community, start with your YouTube automation channel, and you'll get the full Tube Mission 2.0 system and get the Ask Coach Glenn AI. Dito na lang sa Ask Coach Glenn AI, guys. Grabe. Everything, lahat ng mga kailangan mo, lahat ng mga questions mo, hindi ka masasta, lahat may sagot. Instantly, as long as may internet ka. Let me be real with you. If you don't take action now, someone with less skills than you will succeed. Someone with less intelligence than you will get monetized. Someone with less experience will build a successful YouTube automation channel. Because why? They had an AI automation system. And system beat motivation every time. So, why you need to decide today? This is very important. I limit access because I personally update the system. Nakafocus na ako ngayon sa Tube Missions. Freebies will get removed once slot filled. Also kasi, I limit students because the reason why, the support and the community must stay high quality. Gusto ko matutukan lahat ng students ko. Because this is not all about money. It's all about to build as students to have a successful YouTube automation. And once slots are filled, enrollment will close. No replay, no extension, no pwede pa ba Coach Glenn? Because the people who act fast are always ones who win. Guess what? For today's price, this is only for 3,789 pesos only. No monthly, no hidden fees. This is lifetime access. Tube Mission Blueprint by Coach Glenn. This is my final question sa'yo. If this system helps you earn even 10,000 to 20,000 pesos per month, was it worth it? What if 50,000 per month? What if 100,000 per month? Or even million per month? Now, ask yourself, what happened if you do nothing again this year? So if you're ready to start your YouTube automation journey, DM me, magtulungan tayo. This is my Facebook account. Want to enroll? Just click the link below or meron tayong link dyan sa description box. Slots are limited. Freebies will be removed once full. Don't be the person who says, sana nag-join ako noon. Be the one who acted.